Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to work on our math sheet. It's called Guided Class Practice 111A. So it asks us to draw a 2-inch line segment for your name. And you're going to go to the one on the side on your ruler that has the inches, and it's 2 inches. So we're going to draw that. And then, because I want you to be aware of centimeters, we're going to measure it as well. So 2 inches, if you flip it over to centimeters, equals a little over 5 centimeters. Okay, so we're going to put our name on it for practice. Our date today is May 11th and 2020, and it is Monday. Okay, our tally marks today are going to be 7. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it says write the number 100 on the place value chart. So here's how you do it, you guys. This is different. Usually we have our number that we have to do here. Now we're changing it. So 100, that would mean in the hundreds place, we would have a 1. In the tens, it's the number is 100. So if we were to write the number 100 down up here, you see, in the hundreds place, you've got a 1. In the tens place, you don't have any. So it would be 0. And again, in the ones place, you don't have any either. It's a 100, so it's a 0 as well. Okay, we'll work more on that in the coming days. So Sammy and his brother made a dozen cupcakes. Draw the cupcakes. So we all remember how many are in a dozen. If we look at a carton of eggs, most cartons of eggs come in a dozen. Some come more, but we're going to focus on the dozen. And a dozen cupcakes, or sorry, a dozen eggs has 12 eggs in it. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went a little over, that's okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now it says they put green frosting on half dozen. So we know we've got 12 here, and if they're in pairs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You know that you would have 6 that are in half a dozen. So there's your 6. Okay. How many cupcakes have green frosting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is half a dozen. So that's actually dividing, boys and girls. That's grade 2 and 3 and 4 math already. So you're doing a fantastic job. If you're understanding this well, and I'm sure that if I was with you guys, I could be teaching it in a lot of different ways other than just on a piece of paper. Yeah, if you're getting this, then fantastic. If you're not quite getting it, it's okay. We'll catch you guys up in September, and you're not falling behind. You're doing okay. Harry and his brother and sister will share the cupcakes with the green frosting. Okay, so how many children will share the cupcakes? Harry and his brother and sister will share the cupcakes with the green frosting. So they've got the 6. Okay, how many children will share cupcakes? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 children will have cupcakes. Right? Draw a plate for each child. Show how the children